Hidden in the heart of Epirus, Greece, lies one of the country's most iconic and mysterious landmarks, the Bridge of Arta. It's a masterpiece of stone, a thing of breathtaking beauty, but it's also a place steeped in a legend of blood, love, and the ultimate sacrifice. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're standing in front of this incredible structure to uncover the haunting story behind the Bridge of Arta. This is a place where history and myth are so intertwined, you can almost feel them in the air. It's a story about a builder's impossible dream and the heartbreaking price he had to pay to achieve it. So, let's get into it. The Bridge of Arta gracefully spans the Araxos River here in northwestern Greece. Its elegant stone arches have been the lifeblood of this region for centuries, connecting communities and trade routes. But building it was anything but straightforward. While historical records are a bit fuzzy, with some dating it back to antiquity, the most famous construction effort took place around the early 17th century. Imagine the scene, a team of skilled craftsmen, led by their master builder, toiling day after day under the hot Greek sun. They would lay the stones with precision, building up the arches, only to return the next morning and find their hard work reduced to a pile of rubble. Every single night, without fail, whatever they built during the day would mysteriously collapse. It was a cycle of hope and despair. According to the famous Greek folk ballad, the master builder was at his wits' end. He couldn't figure out why the bridge refused to stand. Was it a curse, a flaw in the design? As his frustration grew, a mysterious bird is said to have appeared. It landed nearby, and with a human voice, it delivered a chilling prophecy. The bird told the master builder that the bridge would never stand firm, its foundations would never hold, unless a living soul was sacrificed and walled up within its stones. The builder was horrified. The idea was monstrous, unthinkable. But the collapsing bridge was a constant, mocking reminder of his failure. The legend tells us that the builders drew lots to decide who among their wives would be the sacrifice. And in a cruel twist of fate, the lot fell upon the master builder's own beloved wife. Imagine his anguish. The love of his life, the person he cherished most, was chosen by fate to be the price for his life's work. The ballad paints a heartbreaking picture. Under the pretense of having lost his wedding ring in the foundations, he lured her to the construction site. As she bent down to look for it, the other builders, with heavy hearts, sealed her inside the central pier, burying her alive within the cold, dark stone. It's a gut-wrenching moment in the story, and only then, after her spirit became one with the structure, did the bridge finally stand firm. The sacrifice had been paid, and the master builder's ambition was realized, but at a cost that would haunt him forever. This tale is so much more than just a local ghost story. It's a powerful allegory that resonates deeply within the Greek psyche. It symbolizes the eternal struggle between human ambition and the often cruel hand of fate. It speaks to the immense sacrifices that are sometimes required to create something lasting, something truly great. Even today, standing here, you can feel the weight of that legend. It's a heavy, melancholic atmosphere. Locals will tell you that on quiet, still nights, if you listen closely, you can hear the faint, sorrowful voice of the builder's wife whispering from within the stones. The famous verse goes, "All day they build it, and at night it would collapse. As the Bridge of Arta stands, trembling like a leaf, by night the wife of the master builder crosses it." It's a chilling reminder of the spirit forever bound to this beautiful yet tragic landmark. Today, the Bridge of Arta is a protected cultural monument, a testament to incredible engineering and a powerful symbol of love and endurance. Its tragic story has inspired countless poems, songs, and plays across Greece, embedding it permanently into the nation's cultural fabric. The legend is passed down from one generation to the next, a story that continues to fascinate and move people. So, if you ever find yourself planning a trip to Greece, make sure you add the Bridge of Arta to your itinerary. It's more than just a beautiful piece of history you can walk across. It's a profound story carved in stone, a legend that you can truly feel. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into Greek folklore. If you enjoyed uncovering this hidden legend, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring the incredible stories behind the stones.